So what we're doing right now is this patient's got some problems going on into her shoulder. I'm going to demonstrate how we do an adjustment seated. That style adjustment is called a Gonstead adjustment. And this doctor who invented this style of adjustment, he was actually diagnosed with RA, rheumatoid arthritis. And so when you have rheumatoid, your hands kind of get deformed. So he created this style of adjustment where the patient is in a seated position doing the adjustments, and the contact is on the spine in this seated position. And so I learned how to do those adjustments because I trained underneath a doctor out in Arizona who was what we call a Gonstead practitioner. So there's many different ways that we can adjust the spine. Give us a call at 859-762-0009 and let us see what we can do to help you. Thank you.